This is a brief tutorial on what to expect in our first lesson, which is lesson 1, the Get Started Learning Plan. You have already logged into my CVTC. You've logged into Advanced 360, our learning management system. You've gone to lessons, thus lessons bringing us here to lessons that are visible for you, the student, which will be one lesson at a time. Again, to know what is due when, please check the course calendar, and then every lesson will also include due dates and reminders of those due dates. So if you click on lesson 1, Get Started Learning Plan, you have a brief overview of what the lesson is about. The first 5 items in the lesson are geared towards getting you familiar with our learning management system and explaining the services available to you. And then you have 2 activities within this lesson. Your first activity will be an introductory video. This will get you familiar with, I'm just going to scroll down here past the 5 guidelines here. The introductory discussion, if you click on the open discussion, it'll give you a brief overview of what the recording should be about. So you're going to record yourself. You should have video, like visual. I should be able to see you and hear you. And I put an example in the discussion board for you of my own. And you'll just record yourself identifying who you are, your program, your hometown, any unique qualities, current occupation if you have one, any hobbies that you have. You're going to then upload your recording to YouTube. And in this lesson, I've provided you guidelines to submit your recordings. But you'll upload it to YouTube. Make sure your video is set to public so I can access it and your fellow classmates can access it. And then you're just going to copy and paste the link into the introduction. I'm just going to pull that up here. Right here, you'll simply, like I did here, you'll add a comment, you'll copy and paste, and then you'll hit submit. And then don't forget, as the directions state, your original submission, your recording is due Saturday by 11:59 p.m. Your replies are due Sunday by 11:59 p.m. And you need to reply to at least 2 other classmates' posts. And then you need to check your CVTC student email and complete the email competency assignment, and the guidelines are right here for you. So read through the link given and then email me the following information. Make sure that your email is personal, precise, prepared, polite, and proofread. And you must submit this email to my inbox, my CVTC inbox, no later than January 28th by 11:59 p.m. And then at the very end of the lesson, you'll see a reminder, and this just goes through, you can use this as a checklist. Did you remember to go through and view all the technology and help-related guides that were there? And the no-show policy and all of that sort of thing? Did you also submit your introductory video and reply to at least 2 other classmates' posts? And then did you submit your email competency assignment to my CVTC email inbox no later than Sunday, January 28th? If you have any questions, please feel free to email, call, or stop by if you're on campus, and I'll be happy to help.